Welcome back to another part of the Mclean Creek Trail Series.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. We're out at Mclean Creek again. We are about to go do the boundary loop. We're going to start doing a couple trails we haven't done so far. We'll show up the map here shortly. So today we are thinking we're going to go down the Widowmaker, take the boundary loop, I think some people call it, or Fisher Creek Trail. I've heard it called both, and then come back the long way to the plateau. We'll show some numbers as we come past. Look at these dinosaurs.
There's more in the back and in the backpack. Alright, so we just turned right off the Mclean Creek Road onto trail marker 428, going to do the boundary loop or Fisher Creek Trail. Ev's already passed out, which is, you know, the normal, but here we go. We're heading west to go connect up with the trail. Making a slight right at marker 438, carrying on to marker 470, which is known as a big wide open area where tons of people camp throughout, also known as the location of the hill climb called the Widowmaker. From 470, we carry on to marker 626, where we take a left, dipping into the start of the Boundary Loop Trail. Alright, so the Boundary Loop is basically the trail that basically connects the Mclean Creek Road and the logging road on the west side, giving you access to Cork Ridge and some other trails. After a couple bridge crossings, the trail starts to become rocky and progressively gets steeper, making for a bit of a technical spot for some stock rigs as you climb to the top of the range.
one.
We make our way to the end of the trail, popping out at marker 612. All right, so that is the boundary loop. That's 428 is what we started at, all the way to 612. And that puts you on the west logging road. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and keep up to date on the latest videos coming out.